Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to create BullX account step by step. First of all, I will tell you that you need to have a Telegram account to create BullX account. If you don't have Telegram, first of all, create a Telegram account. You can use your mobile phone or your desktop computer. As you can see, I'm using my desktop computer. First of all, download the Telegram, create Telegram account, and once you will have Telegram account, then you can create BullX account. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to the BullX website. The link will be in the description. You can click the link, and when you open this page, you need to click Connect Telegram right here, and you need to open it in your Telegram. So you will open the BullX bot page on your Telegram. Then you need to click the Start button right here. And as you can see, you will be redirected to the waitlist, but I have good news for you. You can skip this waitlist. You just need to paste the simple prompt, which is this, guys. You need to paste this prompt. By the way, it will be in the description. You need to copy it and just paste it right here and send it, and you will avoid the waitlist. As you can see, congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. So I have got full access. Now I can click the login button right here. So as you can see, guys, we are logged in. We created BullX account, and now we can start using this bot. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.